In this question, you have to identify the plants which produce pneumatophores and show vivipary. Option A, halophytes. Now, halophytes are salt-tolerant plants found in coastal and saline environments. They produce pneumatophores, that is, aerial roots for gaseous exchange in waterlogged conditions. And they also exhibit vivipary, that is, seeds germinate while still attached to the parent plant. And both these adaptations help them to thrive in harsh environments. For example, mangroves. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, samophytes. It is incorrect because samophytes are plants adapted to sandy soils, such as those in deserts. But pneumatophores are absent and they also lack vivipary. Option C, hydrophytes. It is incorrect because hydrophytes are plants that are adapted to aquatic environments. Now, they have adaptations like erenchyma for buoyancy, but they do not have pneumatophores or exhibit vivipary. Option D, mesophytes. It is also incorrect because these are the plants adapted to moderate and non-extreme environments. So they lack special adaptations like pneumatophores and vivipary.